first thing you will need to do is collect the following items. This diagram shows what your filter will look like when it is finished. Charcoal is a lightweight black carbon residue with no water molecules present. It is the bottom layer of the filter as it has the smallest particle size. It can readily absorb a wide range of organic compounds dissolved or suspended in liquids. The larger materials are towards the top of the filter. The sand and small pebbles will be able to filter out larger debris from a solution. Start by taking the plastic bottle and very carefully cut it in half. It may be helpful to ask an adult to make a start for you. Once you have the two halves, you will use the bottom half of the bottle as a water collection device and the top half to make the filter. Take the bottle cap and very carefully make a few holes, then screw the cap back onto the bottle. To begin making the filter, take some cotton wool and push it down into the bottle cap. This will prevent all of the filtration material falling out. Add some charcoal and you'll see it form a layer above the cotton wool. Then take the sand and pour very carefully so not to disturb the charcoal layer. Finally, add some small rocks. The thicker the layers, the longer the water will take to pass through the filter, making it more effective at removing debris. Your filter should be able to stand in the bottom half of the plastic bottle. Go to your garden and collect some muddy water. Pour the muddy water over your filter and watch as it slowly passes through. We can see that there are large clumps of mud being filtered, but as we look at the water passing out the other end, we call this the filtrate, it is quite cloudy. This is because the filter cannot remove all of the microscopic particles. There are lots of molecules in the soil that our eyes cannot see, such as the important minerals that help plants grow. If we were using this filter on a camping trip, you would need to boil the water to remove any remaining harmful impurities. You can also purchase special disinfectant tablets that can be used as an extra purification step. This homemade filter also represents the Earth's natural water cycle, when rock and soil filters the rainwater before it is absorbed into aquifers deep in the ground. Humans are the reason water becomes contaminated from all of the household products and plant fertilisers that run off into our rivers. Now have a go at making your own filter at home. Try filtering different mixtures such as water containing oil, or even glitter, or anything else that you can think of. Tweet us your filter videos at trioscicumry_cu.